Hello, and welcome back to Cardano Coin, where we bring you the most recent and intriguing ADA news. We're giving away 1,000 ADA to those who are watching. All you have to do is upvote, subscribe, comment Cardano is king, and watch the video to the end to be eligible. The winners will be picked next month and publicized on the community page of the channel. Crypto analyst Dan Gambardello is open about his plans for Cardano. The majority of his tweets and videos regarding Cardano focus on the impending explosion. Gambardello has been able to pique investors' interest in Cardano as the most reliable, secure, and scalable blockchain. We have Garrido's supportive views of Cardano. Let's calculate the value of 100 Cardano ADA in 2025. ADA is only 62 times away from reaching a $1 trillion market valuation, according to Dan Gambardello Cardano, the founder of the Crypto Capital Initiative. Unlike other well-known networks like Ethereum, Cardano has consistently maintained a spot in the top 10 list of development activity on GitHub. In terms of development activities at the start of June, Cardano was superior. When Cardano was still in its infancy and many of you were probably referring to it as a stablecoin, Dan Gambardello supported it in the majority of his tweets from a year ago, highlighting its explosion. Now $2.12, an increase of around 1,100%, even if many now refer to Cardano as a stablecoin. ADA has only increased by 375% from $10. He added that it was feasible for the price to eventually reach $10, albeit he couldn't guarantee it would. On the other hand, there were a lot of long positions on the ADA and Binance exchange, according to a tweet from the on-chain social and fundamental insight site Sentiment. The movement was larger than normal, it was also added. Around this time, Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, spoke to the cryptocurrency community to give an update on the project. He claimed that the majority of individuals were concerned about scalability. He said that the pad launch will deal with those problems. Hoskinson also expressed his happiness at the ecological act. He expressed his happiness that Cardano demand has begun to increase and thanked the community for its steadfast support. Nearing the end of the year, the price of the ADA coin is much below Garmin's and Dell's estimated $10 value. It is startling to learn that the crypto analyst's position and message regarding Cardano have not altered. He is persistent for a cause, no doubt about that. What, though, might it be? Why is he so confident in Cardano's future prospects? August 17, Gambardello told his 233,000 Twitter followers that Cardano is his favorite cryptocurrency when asked why he spends so much time discussing it. That is why I write so much about it. I'll let you know if it ever changes. But this is my cryptocurrency journey. I'm also not recording it. Never trust my recommendations or portfolio. As a result, he personally launched a Twitter survey to find out what the Cardano community cared about more, the foundations of Cardano or the value of the ADA token. The findings were not very surprising. You'll find yourself primarily monitoring and caring more about he tweeted it, given that Cardano has the most fervent community on Twitter. Cardano poll. Sentiment, a crypto analytics company, closely examined the Cardano ADA on-chain measure, or the ratio of daily on-chain transaction volume and profit to loss. These metrics display the total number of coins or tokens exchanged throughout all network transactions, as well as the profit or loss for a specific asset over a period of time. This indicator also displays the relationship between transaction volume and profit, as well as the relationship between transaction volume and loss emotion. As stated when Sandion provided the metrics of daily on-chain transaction volume and profit to loss assets in May, they are observing a high percentage of transactions taking place while traders are in loss positions. The ratio of trades at a loss is at its greatest level of profit-taking since the last week of March, according to a recent tweet he made, which suggests that traders need to exercise caution. Cardano aims to become a global social and financial operating system. Therefore, one must not undervalue its potential. Keep your FOMO at bay. But before making the crucial choice, you need first be aware of the returns you hope to achieve from your investments. A well-known crypto analyst who has a history of correctly anticipating market downturns has issued advisories regarding two of the most popular crypto assets. The trader going by the Twitter handle Capo first warned his 485,300 followers that the scalable blockchain platform Cardano ADA might experience a significant price decline over the next weeks. Focus on an ascending wedge pattern that began with a surge in late July on a price chart showing the ADA coin price changes from May. On August 16th, the altcoin rate nearly reached the 60-cent mark. Prior to the market issues leading to the token's loss of approximately 25%, he predicted a sequence of peaks and falls last week, predicting that Cardano will eventually fall to the 28 to 30-cent area. He continued by expressing his opinion that the overall market for cryptocurrencies is gloomy. Every bounce offers a good chance to sell. It's wise to stay away from the market until new lows. However, he claimed that Cardano is about to experience major developments that will startle the whole cryptocurrency market. Cardano was laying the groundwork for investors to receive enormous returns on their investments by the year 2025. The commission-free investment software recently, due to high demand, Robinhood added Cardano and a few additional cryptocurrencies to its roster. Holders of Cardano ADA can now buy and sell their Cardano holdings without paying any additional commissions or transaction costs. A huge demand for the platform to list Cardano ADA led Robinhood to confirm the listing through Twitter. Although users can purchase and sell ADA, Robinhood does not yet have a transfer feature. The most recent tweet from Robinhood Help states that New York citizens cannot now transfer cryptocurrency to Envy, Achai, or for some crypto assets. Although we don't yet know when this will be available, we'll let you know. Two important exchanges announced support for Cardano before a significant event in the Ethereum killer altcoin Zero Commission exchange listed Cardano for its 23 million customers, but the announcement also encouraged a bullish sentiment among ADA investors. When the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the U.S. by volume implemented support for Cardano staking, you should buy Nance US in order to transfer your ADA to Nance US. Cardano is now accessible for staking. Start staking in minutes, receive weekly payments, and unstick at any time. Earn up to 6.1% APY at launch. It's a good sign that two major cryptocurrency exchange platforms support Cardano before its simple hard forks this month, don't you think? The long-awaited Vessel hard fork is expected to bring forth several improvements to Cardano. As a result of additional Plutus features, the hard fork will increase Cardano's throughput and scalability for the blockchain, smart contracts, and Cardano's network. The Cardano development team is committed to giving exchanges and dApps developers enough time to update their node versions. Work on testing and integration will be finished prior to the Vessel's hard fork. In 70% of the top depths that IOG has been monitoring, pre-production testing has been effective. The integration team is in contact with projects to provide support as exchanges prepare for the Vessel hard fork. The announcement by Robinhood and Binance US has made ADA holders more optimistic. Leading cryptocurrency exchanges, dEPTHs, and smart contracts have all expressed support for the planned Vessel hard fork. The crypto community is eagerly anticipating the Ethereum integration, and the Cardano is Vessel hard fork with excellent preparedness. In addition, Input Output Global is providing new test versions of the Deadless wallet for developers and POS working in the preview and pre-production testing environments. These versions, called Preview 5.0.0 and Pre-Prod 5.0.0, are the last step before the actual upgrade. Crypto researchers assess the Cardano price chart in light of recent favorable developments, which are bringing developers of the cryptocurrency one step closer to the anticipated hard fork with this release. A larger audience is being reached as more exchanges come up to support Cardano's Vessel hard fork and list ADA currency. Due to its extensive utility and adoption, there is a chance that the price of Cardano will increase. In recent weeks, analysts have expressed a strong perspective on Cardano, and the price of the Ethereum killers appears poised to approach a bullish target. Cardano is equally impressive as his background and goals. ADA functions similarly to other cryptocurrencies. there is not much evidence of its implementation. The blockchain was first made public in September 2017, and the foundation controls all of the network's few nodes. In a competitive ecosystem, the Bitcoin has also faced severe competition from other cryptocurrencies. Ripple's ambitions to provide a bridge between the current financial system and cryptocurrencies may pose a serious threat to Cardano. Although it is clear that Cardano's current value price is unjustified, it may not be advisable to write off Cardano's valuation as a bubble given that the price of cryptocurrencies depends on future markets. And Cardano falls under this as well. Will Cardano disprove Gambardello's bullish predictions, then? Time will only tell. But what do you think about this? Let's discuss them below in the comment area. In the following video, we'll see you. Check out our previous movies to see how Cardano is living up to the promise of being the Ethereum killer in the interim. Remember to always click the subscribe notification buttons.